Hello, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, and if you're not, thank you so much for coming by and watching my videos and leaving me comments. It really means so much to me. Today I have my Ipsy versus Ipsy, and I also have a surprise giveaway, so please stay tuned. I have first this is my 40 something light, I've got light skin, blue eyes, I forget all the settings, but basically lighter complexion that fits me. So this is the bag. It's really a pretty bag. So let's see what is in the 40 something bag. Let me go ahead and pull everything out here. So the first thing, which is, I think this is what I picked. Let's see, Verify 2020 Phytoglycogen Peptides Eye Cream. I mean, it's small, but again, y'all know this is a sample bag. Every now and then they do give full sizes like an eyeliner, nail polish, things that are considered full size, sheet mask. Just, there are some things that, I mean, it's worth the price. So this is, like I said, it's small, but it looks to be full. I mean, you can see it appears to be full, and being that you only need a tiny bit, of course that will last a long time. And then I got this Georgette Klinger Volcanic Mineral Scrub. I have never heard of this brand, but it says it's been around since 1941. So there's that. Again, that will last a good long time, seeing that you only need a little bit for a scrub. It does have the safety seal. I do like getting these little samples to see what I like and don't like. Some of the products I have found that I really like has been in these little bags. And then I have Your Skin But Better CC from It Cosmetics. This is, let's see, what color is this? Anti-aging hydrating serum. Does it not have a color since it's a CC cream? Even CC creams I thought have colors. Okay, it says medium at the top. This will go in a future giveaway because I have some of those. I think I have the bigger one of those or something similar. So this has the SPF. I like SPF. I mean, I don't think that SPF in your foundation is enough SPF, but this with something else I think is a really good combination. So let me see, let me show you. I'm not going to open it since it's going in a giveaway, but I mean, it's a good size to see if you like it or not. And then I got this Hemp's. I love this brand in lotion, so I know I'm going to love this. This is Ultra Moisturizing Herbal Lip Balm enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. Pure herbal extract. And again, that will last a long time, being a lip for just lips and not the whole face. It has the little thing there that makes it easier to apply. So I got that, and then I got this Ipsy Radiant Glow highlighter in Prosecco. I actually think I have this, so I'm not going to swatch it. If I do have it, well, I don't want to tear the box either. If I do have it, this will go over here in a giveaway with that, and I'm pretty sure I do have it. I will show it what it looks like, and if I remember right, I really liked it too. It's really pretty. If this is what I'm thinking of, I really liked it as a highlighter, so this will more than likely go in the giveaway with the CC stuff. So that is my items for the 40-something. So this one is a 20-something with darker hair, darker complected. I'm thinking it's dark eyes. I think I had everything set to darker and 20-something. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the Big Ego from Tarte. There's that. I mean, of course, that is a sample. And then I've got the Jonte Blue Liquid Eyeliner 24 Hour. Let's see, does it say a color? I don't see where there's a color, but I would say it's probably black since it's liquid and the packaging is all black. And then there is the same thing, the CC. This one's in medium too. The CC Your Skin But Better from It Cosmetics. Got that one. And the Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. There's that. And then this was really cute. It is the Pacifica Desert Sunset Matte Blush and Bronzer. Well, I don't want to tear the packaging. No, I guess I'm going to tear it anyway because I want to show it to you. I'm not going to swatch it, but there is that. Look how pretty that is. And it has a little mirror on the back. But that's really pretty. And I'm not going to swatch this either because this bag with this, the skin serum, the CC cream, the Tarte mascara, and the eyeliner is going to be in a giveaway. So this I'm going to go, since I'm going to have 2 or 3 giveaways going on at the same time, instead of getting it confused of all the posts going in all of the different videos, I'm going to say this to comment in this particular video, because when the time's up, I'm going to give it, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks, and I will pick from this video. So make sure you leave a comment in this video so that when the time's up, I can do what's it called, it's late, my brain's going on, it's been a long day, the comment picker. I'm going to use just this video to pick for this one, because I know several of you have mentioned wanting to try out just a basic Ipsy bag, so I wanted to put the nicer one with the nicer products, with the full-size blush and bronzer, and that just looked like a nice bag, so I wanted to put the better of the two in a giveaway for you all. So make sure you leave me a comment so you can be put in the running for this. If you don't want it and you leave me a comment and you don't want this, you can just leave me a comment like normal and just say you don't want to be in the running. But I will pick, I've got the one for the Allure and then this one, and I've got a couple other ones that will be going up soon. So just make sure you leave a comment. This is a pretty cute little bag with, I thought, some fairly nice things in it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very soon. Bye bye.